Hello students, hope you are fine. I'm back again with another English literature class. And today we are going to do the second part of the story, The Elephant and the Cassowary Bird. I'm quite confident that you have already forgotten the story since it has become a while after the Christmas holidays. So let me give you a recap.
With the recapitulation, you will be getting to know a few more new words. So the first word is wattle. It means a fleshy fold of skin hanging from a bird's head or throat, or a loose fold of skin that hangs from the throats of certain birds. The next word is clumsy flapping. It means the flapping of the wings in a hurried and awkward manner. Then stately and unconcerned. It means grand and disturbed. It means the bird was trying to act as if nothing had happened. Then subtropical climate means hot and humid summers and mild winters, which means neither very hot nor very cold. Then dividendly, here it means timidly. Then morose, according to the story, it means sullen or moody. Then apprehensive means nervous and worried. Then slyly means in a clever manner, which did not let the elephant understand what the bird was really going to do. Then gazing means looking for a long time. Then air, here according to the story it means expression. Treacherous means seeming to be safe yet dangerous. Then vicious means cruel and harsh. Then the last word is overtures. It means attempts to become friends.
It so happened that one of grandfather's pets was a baby elephant. It wasn't out of place in their home in North India because India is where elephants belong. And in any case, their home was full of pets brought home by grandfather who was in the forest service. But the cassowary bird was different. No one had ever seen such a bird before, at least not in India. Grandfather had picked it up on a journey to Singapore, where he had been given the bird by the manager of a rubber farm, who had got it from a Dutch trader, who has got it from a man in Indonesia. Anyway, it ended up at their home in Dehra. The bird looked similar to both a turkey and an ostrich, but it was bigger than the first and smaller than the second. It was not a particularly beautiful bird or even a friendly bird. However, it had come to stay and everyone was curious. The elephant would circle round the new creature and shyly examine its short and thick wings with his beak, with his trunk. Of course, he expected no danger also. His childlike curiosity made him act bravely and a little too bravely perhaps, for one day it resulted in an unpleasant experience. Now, what could be the unpleasant experience? Noticing how the baby elephant tried to make friends with the silent and serious cassowary, the writer and his grandfather felt a bit worried. The big bird would respond to the elephant's attentions by slowly and cleverly raising one of its powerful legs, all the while looking into space with an innocent expression. The writer and the grandfather knew what it meant. They had seen that dangerous leg raised on other occasions and suddenly shooting out with a great force like that of an angry camel. Camel and cassowaries cake more or less in a similar manner. The writer and the grandfather wished to save their baby elephant from that powerful experience and led him away from the bird. But he continued with his friendly gestures and received that ugly reward. It was a clear indication for the elephant that she isn't looking for friends. After a few more days, the baby elephant goes once again to her in his usual cheerful way. The author and the grandfather and the bird were amazed at this. Had the painful lesson already been forgotten? And that too by an elephant, which is known for its ability to remember. Perhaps another dose would teach the elephant. Once more, the bird lifts her one leg in preparation of kicking. It was getting near the correct position, but before that can happen, the elephant with his trunk holds the other leg of the bird. The bird tumbles down miserably. Seeing her defeat, she gets up as nothing has happened and walks away calmly, looking rather foolish. And those who were watching rolled with laughter loudly. So, this was the story of two mismatched animals who met, and the result is a hilarious tale of how one got the better of the other. The collection of Ruskin Bond contains stories that are exhilarating and thought provoking. So, students, this was all about today's class. Very soon, I am going to meet you again in my next class. Till then, take care of your health. Bye bye. See you.